XD.
Yeah. Feel the wind shift. Hurricane in the building. Yeah.
Born from the silence where the dark winds creep, a shadow in the desert when the world's asleep. Name in the air like a prophecy spoken. Calm on the surface but the core stays woken. Moves like a legend that the ancients knew. Storm in the pulse and the veins break through. Energy rising like a flame unchained. Power in the heartbeat nobody can tame. Hurricane, that force you can't outrun. Strike like thunder when the moment comes. No chains, no cage, no locking me in. I rise like the storm that begins within. Feel the echo in my skin. Spirit in the night with a wildfire glow. Twist of the air in the supernatural flow. Touch of the chaos that rewrites fate. Breaking every boundary they try to create. Walk through the ruins with the fearless step. Carry every secret that the sky once kept. No map, no limit, no fictional line. Hurricane mindset, untamed by design. Hurricane, that force you can't outrun. Strike like thunder when the moment comes. No chains, no cage, no locking me in. I rise like the storm that begins within. Feel the echo in my skin. When the lights go low and the doubts creep in, I become the storm, not the one blown thin. Stand in the chaos with a sharpened mind. Hurricane spirit, one of a kind. Yeah, if you hear the wind roar, you know where it's from. That's the name, that's the power. Hurricane.